Control light beautifully and naturally with Pirouette window shadings. In addition to the linen and satin fabrics that we have always offered, Pirouette window shadings now come in 5 new fabrics. Luminous Angelica offers a rich and saturated, smooth and shiny texture. With an extraordinary sheen, Shantung offers the look and feel of raw silk in bold, dramatic colors. Satin Metallic uses a silver, gold, or copper overlay to create an unexpected and upscale shimmer. Bamboo Flax combines 2 yarns to create a textured and natural presence. And finally, crafted from up to 80% recycled yarns and available in a natural color palette, cotton is a soft, eco-conscious fabric. Hunter Douglas Pirouette window shadings, an elegant way to control light beautifully.